After pickup sum path, we also have attach select object. Attach select object is very useful, in which case I go to create elements and these elements then later have to be merged. Let's say for example a form like this. These are 4 detail objects. So I say stop. I select them directly in viewport or directly in this location, and I say attach select object. Remember that these items are currently turbo smooth items. An interaction and isolate display. When I tell him attach select object, he doesn't let me see. The isolate display deactivates them but remains with turbo smooth, remains a single object in this case. With the pivot inserted, let's say on this type of position, then the pivot, if I want, I put it. Let's say where I prefer, so for example on the effective hierarchy for move, for example the I put directly here, and so now I have an object that is this, that is an object that we created together, that I can take it, I can move it for example wherever I want it. I can rotate where I want, so on as I prefer, as I can for example do a tipping then. Everything that I prefer with these types of objects I close directly. Obviously he calls it as detail 3, so we call it as touch object, and even if a very simple thing, I save you and tell him 011 touch object 2020 because I'm working with this release of 3's Max, okay?